Cyclone Preparedness. Stay safe and informed. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a very important topic, especially for those who live in areas prone to cyclones. We'll dive into what cyclone preparedness means and why it's crucial for your safety. Understanding and preparing for cyclones can significantly reduce the risks and help protect you, your family, and your property. Let's get started and learn how to stay safe. Cyclones are large-scale air masses that rotate around a strong center of low atmospheric pressure. They are capable of producing severe weather conditions, including heavy rains, high winds, and flooding. It's essential to know that cyclones can be called different names based on their location, such as hurricanes in the Atlantic and typhoons in the Pacific. Key points: cyclones are powerful storm systems. They can cause extensive damage to areas they hit. Knowing their nature helps in better preparation. Cyclone preparedness involves taking steps before a cyclone strikes to ensure you and your community are as safe as possible. This includes understanding cyclone warnings, having an emergency kit ready, and knowing your evacuation route. Key points: stay informed about cyclone warnings and updates. Prepare an emergency kit with essential supplies. Know your evacuation route and have a safety plan in place. An emergency kit is a collection of items that you may need during and after a cyclone. It should include water and non-perishable food for at least 3 days, first aid supplies, medications, and personal hygiene items, flashlights, extra batteries, and a radio to stay informed. Key points: ensure your kit is easily accessible. Check and update your kit regularly. Having a clear evacuation plan is a critical part of cyclone preparedness. This involves knowing the safest route out of your area, a designated meeting point for your family, and staying in touch with local authorities for guidance. Key points: plan ahead for where you will go and how you will get there. Stay informed about local shelter locations and guidelines. Communication is key. Ensure you can stay in contact with family members. Thank you for watching our video on cyclone preparedness. Remember, being prepared is not just about ensuring your own safety, it's also about contributing to the safety of your community. By understanding cyclones, preparing an emergency kit, and having an evacuation plan, you can significantly reduce the risks associated with these powerful storms. Stay safe, stay informed, and let's look out for each other. See you in the next video.